Highlighting won't save you. Flashcards won't save you. Watching 100 YouTube videos won't either. Because you're not learning, you're just collecting. And collecting doesn't make you grow. Here's the truth. You don't remember what you read. You only remember what you use. The lessons that stick, they came from action, from failing, from messing up, from trying again. So here's the formula. Step 1, focus. 5 minutes, no distractions, just you and the idea. Step 2, reflect. Ask yourself, what actually changes in my life because I know this? Step 3, apply. Do it messy, fail. That's real learning. Step 4, teach. If you can't explain it, you don't own it. Learning isn't about how much you take in. It's about how much you convert. So for every hour you study, spend 2 hours doing. Stop scrolling. Stop collecting. Start building. Start becoming.